There are no electric vehicles without batteries, no phones either. They work in the same way and they're made the same way too. Except that for a truck, we need a lot more to carry our goods. But what about the CO2 impact of the electricity produced to make or charge the batteries? In fact, it all depends on the country and its progress in energy transition. In Europe, where electricity is mostly decarbonized, powering the batteries of an electric vehicle leads to a threefold reduction in CO2 emissions compared to a thermal vehicle. As for the energy needed to produce a battery, that's been halved in 5 years. Being responsible means limiting your carbon footprint. It also means ensuring that the products purchased are manufactured in a sustainable and ethical way, which is what Renault Trucks and the Volvo Group do with their Code of Conduct for mineral suppliers. And since you ask, I can tell you that the average lifespan of a battery is 8 years. They can be used to store renewable energy, and in a third stage, they are 99% recycled to make new batteries. This is known as a virtuous circle. There you have it. Now you know.